Hi, I am Arash, and this is my 16th lesson on CATIA and part design. And today I'm going to talk about shaft and groove. If you catch it to us first recently and didn't see our previous videos, please go and watch these videos from beginning because there are a lot of things which are mentioned up to now. So for start, we choose a plane here and select sketch, and we draw anything we like here, but in one side of this area. So I make a simple circle here, and I go out and choose shaft. We say OK, and we select our sketch, but it's not showing anything else. If you can remember, we when we choose pad, it will extrude that in one direction, but in the shaft, it will rotate it over direction. So I can choose this axis to rotate. So my circle, which was this, is rotating around the z-axis, and we have this shape eventually. So the difference between using shaft and pad is that pad completely making an extrude from it in one direction, but shaft is rotating it over another direction. So we have another option which called groove, and groove is exactly the shaft in a negative way. For example, and when you have no volumes and solid, the groove is not activated. If I select the sketch and I make a rectangle and I choose this rectangle to rotate around this too, it will going to cut my solid in position where it has interaction with it. So it is going to be like this. This is a really interesting feature to use, and there's no limit to use this too. You can choose this rectangle to be shafted, and it will be like this, and you can choose this circle to be grooved, this sketch around this one, and the inner side of that, which intersecting, is cutting right at. If you cannot see the dashed line and construction line, you can change the view in this shading with edge and hidden edge too. See what I mean? So that is pretty much it, and I want to show you some example for this. So the thing we're trying to draw is this shaft. It is something industrial which we want to use to draw. Remember, when you want to draw something like this, you must consider that we draw only half of it, and we spin it over this axis over here. So we start from this area, and profile is a really good feature for that. We choose it here. We must go 12.5, and I think it is really hard to calculate that. 50 and 22, 24 will be 46. 46 and 40 will be 86. 86 and 86 plus 50 plus 85 plus 32. It will be 253 minus 275. It will be 22. So we want 22 here. And 38 will be 19. 19 minus 12. It will be 6.5. And a 5. And we must have a non-tangent curve. And continue that and make it tangents to go like this. So let us finish this. It will be 50, and this is going to be 6, and there is going to be a line which will be horizontal. I think vertical in this case. It should not be like this. We have an extra constraint there. So this one is 48. So it should be 24. And this inner side is 30. So this should be vertical, not horizontal, vertical. And it should be 15 to its middle point. So anything else remaining? 32. It should be 32 from here to here. And we have a long line of 85, a line here, and a tangent curve, a line, a tangent curve, and a line here, here, here. We have this and that, and this and that. So I think that is pretty much it. We just remain with the dimensioning. So I must say that it is 275, and this inner side is 50. No, this one is 6. This one is 15. but this one is 40 and this one is 80. By the way, this from here to here is all 40, and this one is 22 with 50. We have here 22, 30. We have here 24 and 40, which is here 28. We have 12 here, which is our final one. We also must have a 16-degree chamfer here, so we use this one, 16-degree, and 2. Is there another chamfer? Yes. 1 to 45. It is 1. Not 4, but 1. Is there another chamfer? Yes. There is one here. So that is pretty much it. All we have to do is get out of sketch and choose the shaft, choose this sketch, and also we can choose this line to be rotation line. And yeah, that is our final part, which is all ready and ready to use. So we can save that. Yeah, that is. So if we want to, we can use it in a groove, using groove like shapes. For now, like this, I'm doing Ctrl Z, which is not working, so I delete shaft, and I have my sketch remaining. I can make a solid file, a solid block here, using the triangle and having this more than what we want, and choose this to groove from that. Not shaft, the groove. Groove is exactly like that. And also you can choose it what degree you want from this. For example, this is 60, 360 degrees, but we can use it to be 30 degrees. In other direction. 90 degrees, so we can see that. Yeah, that is pretty much it. That is conclude to our tutorial about shaft and groove. Please do like and comment and subscribe us.